In this video, I will show you how you can unlink your Xbox account from your Epic Games. Now, first what you need to do is you need to go to store.epicgames.com. This is the official website. Once you're in here, you're gonna need to log into your account up here. Once that is done, you should see this right here. Just refresh real quick. Right here, you're gonna go to account. Perfect. As you can see, once you're on the account, you will have this big drop-down menu on the left side. You're gonna go to apps and accounts. Once you're here, you should be able to find the Xbox, and I've already disconnected mine, so mine says connect. But if yours is connected, you will have the option to press remove. You just simply press remove and it will be unlinked from your Epic Games account. And it's that simple. And you can see there's also Steam, GitHub, Twitch, everything else in here. This is where you connect and disconnect from it. Thank you guys for watching.